Welcome to Sherlock Institute of Forensic Science. Do you want to uncover the secrets how DNA fingerprinting is revolutionizing crime solving? Do you want to gain expertise in this cutting-edge forensic investigation technique? Then our DNA fingerprinting online course, divided into 3 engaging levels, has something to offer everyone. Get ready to dive deep into the science of DNA profiling, unravel complex cases, and develop skills that are in high demand worldwide. Join our community of aspiring investigators with your hard-earned certificate, or take it to the next level with a prestigious PG diploma. Level up your DNA fingerprinting skills. Don't miss this chance to be a part of cutting-edge forensic investigations. Click the link in the description below to learn more and secure your spot.